We're living in a moment when the world needs architects. Getting out in the industry, talking to people like you, I'm hearing two big questions. One is the old question that I remember as an architect: how do you build an environment that improves energy and material productivity, improves human well-being? And then there's these emerging questions about the future of us as a competitive industry, because it's changing quickly, and it's going to change even faster. Architects have one of the toughest jobs. You do work where you can't quantify every variable: context, clients, poetics, serendipity. But we have problems that we can quantify: sustainability, building performance, cost factors. They demand creative solutions, multivariable optimization, nonlinear problem solving, profound solutions that makes architects artists. As the industry develops to try to stay competitive, Autodesk needs to develop so that we can be competitive for you. So what's top of mind? Start with our hero design authoring product, Revit. So behind the scenes, there's a tricky balance between incremental development on problems you've been asking for that we solve, and large transformative improvements on our platform that are going to secure Revit development as computing takes a generational leap forward. I'm excited that Autodesk is welcoming SpaceMaker. SpaceMaker is a cloud-based AI solution that is going to empower early-stage design for architects, urban planners, developers, by providing users fast directional analysis capabilities. You asked for more openness. This year, we are the first BIM platform to certify IFC4 export for architecture and structures. We've joined the Open Design Alliance, which is going to enable us to have better IFC exports overall. We're launching BIM Collaborate Pro. You'll get more analytical capabilities as an architect and better coordination downstream with your construction peers. A second product, BIM Collaborate, is aimed at project stakeholders who aren't working in design programs but need to manage data. Finally, Autodesk Docs is packaged into the AEC collection. It's offering a common data environment. It's going to help you with data-driven decisions, mitigating risk, benchmarking project timelines. If we work together as an industry, software providers and architects, we can move the industry forward. You're the ones who bring out-of-box thinking into the built environment. We have exciting new tools and capabilities to help you be competitive. It'll be good for architects, but it will also be good for the world. Make your voices heard. Come to Revit Ideas. Tell us what you're looking for. Join the Revit Preview. Take part in our product research community.